Hey, what's up guys? This is Elmer, the forklift guy, coming at you with a quick tutorial video on how to fix the error code 853 on a crown pallet jack. So I'm working here on a model 3035-45 or 3045-45. Even the WP's 2300 will work on this as well. So the error code that I have on this one is an 853. So as you can see here, we have the code 853 on this pallet jack, and that is the potentiometer code. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this handle, the switch cap assembly. It is 4 bolts. You got 4 star Allen wrenches. Remove those, and once you're done with that, you remove the cables that are in the switch cap assembly, and then we'll get down to removing the potentiometer. Alright, so once you remove the switch cap assembly, now you remove these cables that attach the cards. So you have your traction card and your lift lower card, and now we're going to remove the potentiometer that's inside the switch cap assembly. Alright, so once you remove all the components from the switch cap assembly, next thing you do, you'll take out these 2 screws right here where the potentiometer is. You need to take both of these out. Then you're going to pull out the potentiometer, which is a little tricky, but once you remove these 2 screws here, take out the potentiometer, and then we'll go ahead and replace the new one. Alright, so here we have our new potentiometer. What we're going to do is we are going to center it right to our switch cap assembly and connect it back exactly how we took it out. Now the trickiest part with this is going to be the connector that's sticking out from the right side. You see there, the plastic connector that has a ribbon inside of it, computer ribbon, and that is going to connect to the bottom of that big red SAS switch that you see there. It has a blue connector, and that is going to go right into right there. You can see it. You'll see the blue connector once you get a light right there. And the trickiest part is going to be lining that up while pushing it in. So definitely take your time doing this. As you line it up and push it in, make sure that that connector fits in properly. Alright, and once you got it in, fit pretty good, and you snug right there, we're going to put both the bolts back on to where the potentiometer go. We're going to reassemble the switch cap assembly. We're going to put all the bolts back, and then we're going to put both throttle plastic covers, and then put it all together and give it a rip, see what happens. Alright, after putting the switch cap assembly back here and putting all the bolts down, we're gonna bolt everything down and then we'll give her a try, see what happens. The code should disappear and it should be able to travel forward and backwards just fine. Alright folks, there you have it. Code is gone, error code A53 is gone, and now it travels forward and back with no problem. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe this video. I will be putting out a lot more videos on forklifts and pallet jacks and electric forklifts. Thank you. Peace out from the forklift guy.